Let's learn some important idioms. Well, the first one is I'm bursting. I'm bursting. It means I need to go to the toilet very soon. So I'm bursting. Then I'm exhausted. I'm exhausted. It means I'm extremely tired. I'm extremely tired. Then the third one is I'm starving. I'm starving. It means I'm extremely hungry. I'm extremely hungry. Then we've got I'm stuffed. I'm stuffed. That means I've eaten a lot and can't eat anymore. I've eaten a lot and can't eat anymore. So I'm stuffed. And the last one is it's a bug. It's a bug. And it means it's a problem. It's a problem. So follow for more.